So this is a special video for my friend, Dr. Teresa Spiller. I'm going to do a little makeup tutorial just to show you how I use my makeup. You look absolutely fabulous. Yesterday you were so beautiful. And I just wanted to tell you that because you need to know you did a great job already. But let me show you what I do. So I always use my Perfect Storm Collection skincare, okay? So I keep my glow. And I put glow on a cotton round, right? And I wipe my face with glow. Now, I already took a shower, so I already washed my face. I actually scrubbed today. So that's why my face looks bright today. All right? Because I scrubbed with my Himalayan sea salt scrub. But look at that. That's crazy. I just washed my face, but look, that glow gets deep down in the pores. So, glow. I'm gonna go over the good, definitely over my lips. Especially you ladies that may take a little smoke every now and then, you know what I'm saying? You don't wanna have black lips. Uh-oh, a little cotton got in my little lace. All right, so there we go. Okay. I also scrub my lips too. Okay, but look at that. Look at that, y'all. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little baby face as my base. I don't use a lot of makeup, by the way, guys, but pay attention. I'm talking about, guys, this is for you, Teresa, but you know I'm going to probably end up posting this because I'm always trying to get leverage out of my content because I like to teach people, especially in this season. This season, God says, teach the people, girl. Teach the people what you know, y'all. Tell them what you know. Okay, so you see how my face looks dewy? It doesn't look dry. And then I'm going to take a little glow and I'm going to spray, okay? Now, if you have a sponge like this, clean your sponge before you use it. With every chance you get. So clean your beauty blender. I always clean it with, of course, Fresh Face. But I like when my sponge is wet, okay? So I use MAC. I'm waiting on somebody to give me like a makeup endorsement. Hello, super. Hello, whoever. Let's get to it. But until then, I put a little bit of MAC. Little bit. And I don't like when people makeup look orange, so I use a little bit of this Fenty. All right, and no, this is not a endorsement. And this is just a skin tint. Because I like to give my face a little tint. So it don't look orange. So I just give my face a little tint. See, I look a little kind of like, you know, skin. I put a little base on like that, right? And then I take my glow and I apply glow. I kind of apply glow a lot. Okay. Put a little light tint. Really, to be honest with you, I really could just do this, right? Remember that lighter color I was talking about yesterday that you need? Like, look at this light color. This is a concealer. This is NC 45. This is very light. Look at this. Look at that. Very light, right? It's like, what are you doing, right? But watch this. And I put a little bit right here. A little bit right here. I'm not a real makeup girl, okay? But just a little bit so I can look, you know, hydrated, okay? See? Can you see it? See that? And I'm going to go under my eye. And I'm going to blend. Like, this is, like, kind of wet, okay? So it's going to, like, blend into my skin. See that look? See how it's like, keep plaiting. See? Blend it into my skin. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna use this hand first. Blend it into my skin. Blend it into my skin. See how? Look how I automatically look like a younger, right? I told you about that. See, look how I look younger. That's crazy, right? I'm gonna go over here. Go right here. Look. Look at that. I really could go like this. This could be a very light day. You don't want to look like you got beat to the guards. See that? Look at that. Look at that. See how I look like hydrated? Look at that. Blend it. And I put some more glow. you should feel a mist, not the whole, you know, misty. See that? And then, let me give you a little game. Now take your powder, whatever you use. I use Deep Dark, my MAC. All right, and I'm gonna spray a little bit more on my face so it'll be kind of moist, right? And I'm gonna take this and I'm not gonna touch my concealer part right here, okay? Around, okay? I'm not gonna touch where my concealer at, because that's the color I want to stay popping, right? And then, look at this light color. See that? This is NC, I can't see it. It's mixed with makeup. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna pop the eye a little bit more, pop. Pop the eye a little bit more, look at that. Eye poppery, look at that. Ah, pop. And then take your brush, right, and go in there, blend that thing, and then take a little bit of your glow, again, glow, yes. Step into the dew, see that? Oh, look at that. I'm actually not even gonna use my MAC today. So I'm gonna put it back, because I don't wanna look like I got beat down today. I want like that pretty little girl for my man, okay? Now, let's go in and get them eyebrows done. Let's get them eyebrows done. Let's get them eyebrows in it. Your eyebrows was beat yesterday, girl. Let's get them eyebrows done, okay? Let's get them eyebrows done. Let's get them eyebrows done. Let's get them eyebrows did, honey. Eyebrows done, and I'm actually gonna do my bottom lash. Okay, you see that ratio? That's not good, so that lets me know I need to go back in there with a little bit of Deep Dark, see that? See that? There we go. Catch it. And if you want the same highlight you put underneath your eyes, you could take it like so. And what you can do, my sister, is take it and pop underneath the eyes. Underneath the eye, pop rich. They be saying, well, why you look so young? And you'll be saying, oh, everything. Oh, I'm on to everything, honey. I'm no longer bound by who I used to be and what I used to do. Glory. And what's your new cream name? I can't pronounce it. You know, Ufungu. I can't say it. But you gonna be saying, yeah, boo. Boom. And then you gotta make sure them eyebrows are perfected. Now, ain't not like a lopsided eyebrow. You gotta get some more. So what? I take my mascara, right, and I go back in that thing. I need a mirror right now. I can't be looking at you. Where did it go? I can't be looking at that, y'all. I gotta look in the mirror. I gotta look in the mirror, honey. I got to see myself on the canvas of my imagination. On the canvas of my imagination. See it? Now let me give you a trick. You gotta get your Perfect Storm lip collection. I'm telling you right now. And none like the Perfect Storm lips. This lip gloss will hydrate your lips. This is hydrational. And you can see the color pop. It's sitting actually. Oh. So the few things I'm missing from my face. You know how I knew you gotta get on that thing, right? See how creamy? Creamy down. I love Perfect Storm. But watch this. Watch this. Let me put another little color pop on it. You'll love rubbing this. I don't want to put remedies in there. I want to put, oh, socialite. I'm feeling it today. Oh. See that? Well, I'm finna mess your head up. I'm gonna take XO and I'm gonna put it in between and give it like another color. See, that's what I do. They give natural color, but watch this, right? Find you a little golden, right? Watch me go down that nose. You probably gonna see it, barely see it. Whoa, look at that, baby. Look at that, baby cakes. But hold up, wait a minute. Let me tell you something else. Now, find you a little. Now, they don't sell this anymore at MAC. I hate it. But find you some kind of, like, this is like a bronzer type. But watch how I do it. Watch how I make myself. Watch how I get myself that chisel look. Wait, hold on. This gonna blow your mind, sis. Look at it. Look at that. It's like perfection. And I ain't gonna lie now. I can give myself another little pop underneath the eye. Watch this. There's something about that eye. Ladies, if you're older and you want to look younger, boo, I'm telling you, get you a light color to pop underneath the eye. Light. And then glow. And ladies, listen to me. Stop using them old lady lip gloss colors. You look like an auntie. What do you think my man gonna say when he see me? Oh, and I got on a glueless wig. My wig is glueless. So I take it off when I get home. This is a glueless wig, ladies. Glueless, which means we did not use any glue on this wig. And it is on my head, on my head, on my head, on my head, on my head. Now, I want to tell you ladies something now. You want to always smell sickening. Oh. I'm sorry. This is for you, Miss Teresa. I'm so used to doing things for everybody. This was a special video for you. So, go one more time. And we're done. See that? I look young, don't I? Thank you for everything. I love you.